Hello, welcome back to our session number 3 on January 7, 2025, where we are trying to discuss on operators. I'll go back to the same program which I was working on, that is add to nodes, right? So here we saw an symbol called equals and plus symbol, right? These are all operators. So we have to understand the categories of operators first. We have unary operators. Okay. Once again, this topic might not be covered today completely. We have binary operators, and third one we have ternary, or some they call it tertiary ternary operators. Okay. Operators are divided into unary, binary, and ternary based on operands. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, but still I want to explain you people the operators which are majorly. First I'll explain the binary operators, then we'll try to understand unary and ternary in the upcoming videos. Today I will restrict myself to binary operators. Okay. With respect to binary operators, I would like to begin from an operator which is very important. Assignment operator. Most of the languages has this. Assignment operator has a symbol which is this. Okay. Single equals. So to start reducing the term called equals, use this as an assignment operator. Assignment operator always has a variable on the left hand side and then a variable on the right hand side, semicolon. This is very basic. Variable on the left hand side with or without space, then you can have a constant value, semicolon. Example, I'm commenting it. X is the variable, 12 is the value. Example of it. X is the value, Y is the variable on the right hand side. Example. So there are a couple of things which you should be very clear that when it comes to assignment operator, any language, you should have a variable on the left hand side. You cannot have anything else. It should be a variable. And I'm talking about C, C++, Java, C#, AMScript, SSJS. SQL is a bit different. So this is what we are telling. Okay. What can you have on the left hand side again? Always variable. You can have an arithmetic operation. Semicolon. X is equal to 12 plus 23 plus A plus B. Anything. Very importantly, when you have arithmetic operations on the right hand side, this has to be calculated and then it will be stored here. This is not your algebra, so that you say LHS is equal to RHS. All the operations on the right hand side should be completed. Result will be calculated, then it will be stored in this variable. Okay, so that is very important. Calculate anything which is on the right hand side and then store it. So there might be a scenario like this. You have a variable and you have a function call on the right hand side, semicolon. Okay. These are the major things what you will see. As in when you progress, you might find an entire new feature here. But remember, this is very basic and very important. What you cannot have is like this. X plus Y is equal to 12. Sorry, this is not allowed in programming languages. You can have X is equal to, okay, this is not allowed. Not allowed. Okay. X is equal to X plus 12. Allowed. I'll explain you how it works in future. Now this is allowed. X is equal to X plus Y plus 12. Any expression is allowed like this. Okay. What is not allowed? X comma Y is equal to 12. Not allowed. You cannot have like this. And this is majorly for your compiled languages. X minus 5 is equal to 12, not allowed. X plus y is equal to 12, not allowed. Or you might write like this. X plus y is equal to y plus 12. Sorry, these kind of things is not allowed in programming languages. Can I have like this? Let me tell you. Not allowed. Can I have 12 is equal to x? Sorry, not allowed. All these are the things which are not allowed. Basically, syntax doesn't accept this expression. X is equal to 12, allowed. 12 is equal to x, sorry. This doesn't work like this because in programming language, it works from this direction to this direction. And this is a constant, not a memory. So all these are the allowed expressions. This should calculate, store here. Don't forget this way of working in almost any language. Okay. Assignment operator is the most important one to know and understand. All the other operators are also important. Then comes arithmetic operator. I know you need not have to, sorry, all these are binary. Why it is called as binary? Because it is having two operands. So arithmetic operators are plus, minus, asterisk for multiplication, forward slash for division, percentage for modulus. Third one is your conditional operators. Conditional operators are 6. Language to language might change vary. Greater than, lesser than, greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to, not equal to. Okay. Now, many people ask me this question. You write greater than or equal to. Can we write equal to greater than? Sorry, this is not an allowed operator. You cannot write like this. Greater than, equal to, less than. Sorry, this is not allowed. Because give a try like this. There are 6 conditional operators. Last but not the least, and many more might be there in the categories, bitwise operators. We don't use in many languages. C and C++ supports it. Java supports it. C#. Bitwise operators like, logical operators, very important. Sorry. Logical operators. Logical and logical or. Then comes bitwise operators. Very less used, but they are interesting when you use them. Okay, bitwise operators. It is bitwise and, bitwise or, and bitwise XOR. Okay. These are the 3. If you find many more, you can also explore that. These are major operators which are available in many compiled languages. Okay, there might be more, there might be less also, which we will discuss in detail as and when you progress or deep dive into any specific. I'm not sticking myself to specific programming. You learn in one language, it means that you know how it works in other. So what I have discussed is only binary. I have to discuss unary and ternary, which we will do it later. So today, this is how session 3 ends. We have still not completed it. We have many more to discuss. Since we were discussing on input, process, and output, I just wanted to ensure that you people know about memory, which is variable and data type. To process it, we need operators. And then to output, you have to just print them in your respective language. Okay. Having said this, only thing is I'm expecting that you will come back with the feedback. I'll upload this video to ensure that you people are not forgetting to ensure that you are clear. Okay. So the first things first, these are the notes which will be uploaded to the respective folder. It is your 2025 programming web January, and it is on 7. Okay. So that you are clear about accessing your notes. Where it is located. Notes is saved and also uploaded. Videos will be uploaded into our YouTube channel. Okay, all are uploaded so that notes is not forgotten. Okay, thank you very much. I will be stopping the screen sharing and